Welcome to Reddy Technologies. Introduction to cybersecurity. Say, we have several areas in information technology. Software development, software testing, artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science, IoT, Internet of Things, cloud computing, cybersecurity, etc. See, in these areas of information technology, cyber security is the critical area due to digital data security and confidentiality. See, it is an important area, trending area. So, if you are a fresher, try to focus on this area. It is trending area and growing day by day, year by year. Introduction to cyber security. Say, in this chapter, first I planned 5 topics. One is what is cyber security? What is cyber security? Cyber security is also known as information technology security. IT security refers to a set of techniques used to protect the integrity of networks, programs, and data from attack, damage, or unauthorized access. Or the technique of protecting internet connected systems such as computers, servers, mobile devices, electronic systems, networks, and data from malicious attacks is known as cyber security. See, this cyber security is intended for internet connected systems. Nowadays, most of the systems are internet connected, global connectivity. Next, we can divide cyber security. Nowadays, it is single word, cyber security. We can divide this word, this term into 2 parts. One is cyber, another is security. Cyber refers to the technology that includes systems, networks, programs, and data. Security is concerned with the protection of systems, networks, applications, and information. Next, why is cyber security important? See, today we live in a digital era where all aspects of our lives depend on the network, computer, and other electronic devices and software applications. See, once again, today we live in a digital era where all aspects of our lives depend on the network, computer, and other electronic devices and software applications. All critical infrastructure such as the banking system, healthcare, financial institutions, governments, and manufacturing industries use devices connected to the internet as a core part of their operations. So, in order to protect their enterprise data, cyber security is important. See, for protecting private data, organizational data, government data, any type of data, for any type of data, security is more important. Next, cyber attack is now an international concern that hacks the system, and other security attacks could endanger the global economy. Therefore, it is essential to have an excellent cyber security strategy to protect sensitive information from high profile security breaches. Next, third one, cyber security goals. Say, cyber security main objective is to ensure data protection. The security community provides the triangle of three related principles to protect the data from cyber attacks. The principles is called the CIA. Just a minute. The principles are called CIA. C for confidentiality, I for integrity, and A for availability. Confidentiality is equivalent to privacy that avoids unauthorized access of information. Next, integrity ensures that the data is authentic, accurate, and safeguarded from unauthorized modification by threat actors or accidental user modification. Next, availability makes the information to be available and useful of its authorized people always. Next, types of cyber security threats. Say, a threat in cyber security is a malicious activity by an individual or organization to corrupt or steal data, gain access to a network, or disrupts digital life in general. Say the the cyber community defines the following threats available today. One is malware. Say malware means malicious software, which is the most common cyber attacking tool. It is used by the cyber criminal or hacker to disrupt or damage a legitimate user system. The important types of malware are viruses, spyware, and trojans. Next, phishing. See, cyber criminals send malicious emails that seem to come from legitimate resources. The user is then tricked into clicking the malicious link in the email, leading to malware installation or disclosure of sensitive information like credit card details and login credentials. Next, man in the middle attack. Man in the middle attack occurs when cyber criminals place themselves between a two-party communication. Next, denial of service attack. Denial of service attack aims at flooding systems, networks, or servers with massive traffic, thereby making the system unable to fulfill legitimate requests. Next, SQL injection. SQL injection. A structured query language. SQL injection attack occurs when cyber criminals attempt to access the database by uploading malicious SQL scripts. Once successful, the malicious actor can view, change, or delete data stored in the SQL database. Next, DNS attack. A DNS attack is a cyber attack in which cyber criminals exploit vulnerabilities in the domain name system. Next, zero-day exploit. A zero-day exploit refers to exploiting a network vulnerability when it is new and recently announced before a patch is released and are implemented. Next, password attack. Passwords are the most widespread method of authenticating access to a secure information system, making them an attractive target for cyber attackers. By accessing a person's password, an attacker can gain entry to confidential or critical data and systems, including the ability to manipulate and control set data systems. Next, cross-site scripting. A cross-site scripting attack sends malicious scripts into content from reliable websites. The malicious code joins the dynamic content that is sent to the victim's browser. Next, Internet of Things, IoT attacks. See, while internet connectivity across almost every imaginable device creates conveniences and ease for individuals, it also presents a growing, almost unlimited number of access points for attackers to exploit and wreak havoc. The interconnectedness of things makes it possible for attackers to breach an entry point and use it a gate to exploit other devices in the network. Next, cyber safety tips. First one, update software operating system. The most popular safety measure is to update the software and operating system to get the benefit of the latest security patches. Next, use antivirus software. Use antivirus software. It is also useful to use the antivirus software that will detect and remove unwanted threats from your device. The software is always updated to get the best level of protection. Next, use strong passwords. It is recommended to always use long and various combinations of characters and symbols in the password. It makes the passwords are not easily guessable. Next, do not open email attachments from unknown senders. The cyber expert always advises not to open or click the email attachment getting from unverified senders or unfamiliar sites because it could be infected with malware. Next, avoid using unsecure Wi-Fi networks in public areas. It should also be advised not to use insecure networks because they can leave you vulnerable to man-in-the-middle attacks. Next, backup data. Every organization must periodically take backup of their data to ensure all sensitive data is not lost or recovered after a security breach. In addition, backups can help maintain data integrity in cyber attack, such as SQL injections, phishing, and ransomware.